welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyree and I'm here with another video. I'm so excited because I'm going to show you guys how I was able to take my boring countertops from this to this. So yes, what I have here in front of me, I bought these two rolls from Lowe's. These are the Easy Liner Removable Adhesive Surfaces and they're white marble, and I'm basically going to line the countertops with this material. It's kind of similar to like fatheads, if you're familiar with what that is. It's like the big posters and they stick on the wall and stuff like that. So that's what this is, and I'm going to basically peel and stick. And the good thing is these are of course removable, so if you are renting an apartment like I am, these are renter friendly, as the title says. So it's going to be easy to remove once I'm ready to leave this location. And also it's supposed to be like water resistant, such as like the water, like you can set things on it and you don't have to worry about water damaging it. And it's an easy wipe, it wipes clean, so it's easy to clean off with, you know, certain cleaning products and things of that nature. Let's go ahead and get started, girl. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and also leave a comment below. Alright, so I've already figured out the easiest way for me to do this is kind of like how someone else did it in their video, which is more of a vertical way, because I don't want to have to, you know, it only goes so far. I just really don't want to like have to cut out a small piece to go here and then cut out some more to go there. So I'd rather just line it up this way and use like a credit card or something to flatten it and then bring it all the way down here across the countertop. So hopefully that makes sense, but either way you guys will see what I'm doing. So I try my best to clean and get any debris off of the countertop so that it's going to be as flat as possible, but I'm not really worried about being perfect. So this is what it looks like, and I actually like this type of marble because I feel like it'll be easy to blend in two different sheets, like when I do this side and then I do this side, and you won't notice like a harsh line. So it's a very soft marble. They do have different patterns, by the way, if you don't want marble. Right here, but there's like a little space that's opening right here because I just couldn't get it straight, but that's okay because I can just go in and fill it in. I'm not even worried about being perfect.